Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. Today's video, I have this look going on. I saw something similar on this on Instagram and I really wanted to recreate it. So I do feel like it's a super interesting look. Kind of reminds me of, I don't know, like a Kim K look. This would be something that Mario would do, which is a huge compliment to me, but I don't mean it like that. Anyways, I also have a huge giveaway in this video. If you don't want to see the tutorial, you can just skip it to the end. But if you're a real one, you watch my tutorial first. But yeah, I do have a huge giveaway because we finally hit the 200k subscribers on YouTube, which I'm super excited for, grateful for, super thankful for. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I promise to do a giveaway. You can see what's in the giveaway at the end of the video, but I can just tell you right now that you only have to comment so I can just see that you're joining the giveaway. And then yeah, I will just choose someone from the comment section below. And yeah, super excited. So if you want to know how to create this look, then keep on watching. So I have this makeup look in my head. I really didn't know what to film until I looked on Instagram. I saw this gorgeous model. I don't even know where my phone is because I'm so unprepared and you know, I'm a mess as always. But it was this beautiful, gorgeous model. She had bright, big blue eyes. Jeez, bright big blue eyes. Not that hard. So anyways, she had a very nice eyeshadow look and I've never really tried anything like that, and the colors were not really cool, but they weren't really warm either. And so she kind of like left this area blank, and then this was all dark, not really dark. It was kind of like soft glam, and I don't know why I'm like explaining this in details and not really start with the tutorial. So that is what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to use this primer from Giorgio Armani. Oh no, it's Italian. Giorgio Armani Luminous primer, and I really love this. This is my second time using it, but the first time it felt incredibly soft. The softest primer I've tried in my life. Okay, so tomorrow I will be flying back to Gran Canaria, you know, for Love Island. And I'm excited about that, but I do feel like, I don't know, like I have a lot of respect for makeup artists because it can be a little bit exhausting, even though I find it super exciting. And I promised you guys that I would work ahead, so that is what I'm doing today. Actually, I have to pack, I have to do laundry, I have to pack. Look at that, I got a Huda Beauty eyeliner today and I swatched it like really quickly, but it's super, I feel like it's super long lasting. Okay, anyways, the foundation I'm going to use is medium beige from Natasha Denona. It's one of my favorite foundations at the moment. I feel like I do have like a few products that I really like to use, and those are kind of like my latest favorites. So I might be doing like a video with, you know, my favorite products at the moment. So I do feel like it's a super yellow foundation, more yellow than I thought. In comparison to my neck, I mean, it's not really bad. Let me do my ears as well a bit. So this is going to be a very matte look. The base is going to look glowy, but not like super dewy, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it's going to be a bit different because I like to use shimmer on my eyes. I hope I can pull off this look. Going to use these concealers from Benefit. This is the Boeing Cakeless Concealer. And I'm going to use number 6 and number 5. So I'm starting with number 6 first. So going for a full coverage base. And now I'm just blending it with my foundation brush. Instead of using the Boeing concealer in number 5, I'm going in with Givenchy Everwear concealer in number 14 because I feel like this one is slightly lighter than number 5. Just to highlight some parts of my face. So anyways, I do feel like I can pick up Spanish pretty quickly, and like I don't speak Spanish, but I do understand quite a lot actually, and I think it's because of the TV, like Netflix actually, Vis-a-Vis, and then you have Casa de Papel and you have Elite. I mean, I don't know, I think I could learn it pretty fast, but yeah, maybe I should do it one day. Maybe I should just go for it because I do find it super sexy. I mean, that language is just maravilloso, bellissimo. So I think I'm going to try a new contour stick. This is from Private Society And this is the Contour Confidential Double-Ended Contour Stick. So I'm not going to use the lighter side, but the slightly darker side. This is a very cool toned contour. I might have to use a very warm bronzer after this. It's a bit pinky. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to use my same foundation brush and just try to blend it a bit. So before I started doing my makeup, I felt like super hyped up. And I don't know, like while I'm doing my makeup, I almost feel like it's therapeutic because therapeutic. So I always get like super relaxed and chilled out, and sometimes I don't know if it's like boring for you guys because I'm just like, I don't know, I just feel relaxed when I'm doing it. I don't know if you guys have the same, but I feel like zoned out. Yeah, you know, chillax. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Hola Benefit bronzer, and it looks super dirty and used. I can see the pan, and I do feel like it's been a while since I've like hit a pan from a makeup product. Okay, so I'm just setting the places where we've contoured as well as giving it a bit more color, but I still do feel like I need to use something a bit warmer. So I think I might use this color right here from the Sculpt palette from Sigma. It's not a super warm bronzer, but it is definitely warmer than the one I just used. For highlight, I'm going to use a shimmer powder from Givenchy in number 2, which is called Shimmery Gold, and my BH Cosmetics brush in number 4. And then for blush, I'll be using my Cali Kissed palette from Smashbox, which I'm really into lately. And I'm going to use this color right here with my Spotlight Duster brush from Sigma. So I'm going to bake a little bit with my Summer Kusami powder, loose powder in number 2. I'm using like a flat, fluffy brush. This is from It's My Ray Ray in number 4. I think it was in collab with BH. I'm also going to use it a little bit on my forehead, because I want this look to be super flawless and matte. And also underneath my eyes. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes, and then meanwhile I'm going to do my brows, and then I'll be right back to do the eyes. So brows are done, and I also applied a little bit of the Boeing Cakeless Concealer from Benefit on my eyeballs. And I'm going to use this Viseart palette. This is a neutral matte palette, and I do think I don't have a lot of matte palettes, and I do think this is going to be a perfect match, because I feel like the color, I will insert it's actually a video. If I can take a picture, I will insert the picture. But I feel like she kind of wears like taupe-ish colors. So not super gray, not super brown, more like these colors. And I do think these going to look amazing. So I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush in number 7, and I'm going to dip into this color right here. I feel like with this look, you don't have to really work super precise. Okay, so I'm going to place it right here. So I'm going to kind of like create the shape first, and then later on I will intensify it a little bit more. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, same on this side. So I'm going to apply the same shade with a fluffier brush. This is Morphe M504. And I'm just going to intensify it as well as blending it. So this is just going to be the first kind of like base color. I've never done something like this before, so I'm curious how this is going to work out. I do really love that color though. Now I'm taking a smaller brush. This is BH Cosmetics in number 8. So this is also fluffy but slightly more steady and smaller. So I'm going to intensify it a bit more using the color, which is very similar to the first one. This one, which is slightly darker. And I'm just going to follow the line, the shape that I created. Same story, I'm just going to blend this with my fluffy brush, so it all looks almost like airbrushed. Taking an even smaller brush, this is kind of like a taper blending brush, also from BH Cosmetics. I feel like almost all of my brushes are from BH Cosmetics, but I truly, genuinely like them. But you can use any taper blending brush you want. Okay, I'm not going to work really precisely, but I am going to make it darker by using this shade and this shade. I don't want to use a lot of this, but just a touch. Okay, and mix it with this one. So now I'm just going to intensify the shape. Okay, I really love the color. So now I'm just going to slightly blend this with the very first color that we've used, so it doesn't look super harsh. Going to bring the same colors a little bit more towards my lower lash line. I'm going in with this color right here, okay, and I'm just going to put that on my whole eyelid. I hope it's intense enough. I don't want to like do a cut crease because I do feel like a cut crease is going to look very neat and very Instagram-ish, and I don't want this to look super Instagram-ish. I want it to look, I don't know, modelish, editorial. So I'm just going to do it like this. So using my concealer brush, I'm quickly going to clean this up. I think I'm just going to blend this slightly more by using the first shade we've used. Kind of like create, not really a wing liner, but you know, kind of. Now I'm going back into the darkest colors in the palette, these two. And I'm going to use, I think this is a brow brush. Yeah, angled brow brush from Urban Decay in 215. I'm going to create a very, very soft wing. Not even a wing, but more like an eyeliner. Okay, yeah, I like that. Ooh, I like that a lot, actually. So, before I'm going to apply lashes, I'm going to do my lips first. I'm going to use this lip liner from MAC in Strip Down. Then for liquid lipstick, I'm going to use Manila from Ofra, which is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful nude color, nude mauve color. Okay, and then on top of this, I'm going to use a little bit of this Dose of Colors One and Only Gloss. Just a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just going to line my waterline, but not too much, just like that. I do think this is too harsh already, so I'm just going to blend it with my fingers. I'm quickly going to add some lashes, some mascara, and then I'll be right back to show you the end result. So this is what I kind of had in mind. I don't know what to think of it. I do really love it, but I do think this would look beautiful if you don't have hooded eyes. But don't get me wrong, because I do think, I mean, it looks nice. I would definitely wear it, but it's just like, I'm not really used to these kind of looks. So, you know what I mean? So it's kind of glam, but it's not as well. So for me, it's super intriguing. I love it. And I feel like I didn't even have to wear fake lashes because I've used this mascara and it's unbelievably good. It's Unlimited from L'Oreal. I've tried it a few times, but I've always tried it after wearing false lashes. So I felt like my lashes were very heavy and glue was still like in my lashes and stuff like that. So now I feel like they're very, very lifted. You could apply lashes. I would just like apply it on the outside of the eyes. But yeah, I do really love the colors though, because they're kind of like cool toned, mauve-y. Yeah, I actually do really like it. I really want to know your thoughts on this look. If you like this look, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to participate in my giveaway. Sometimes I do have like giveaways when I want you guys to like follow and engage with me and like and comment and stuff like that. I really just want this giveaway to be all about me being super, super, super grateful and thankful that I get to do what I do every day just because of you. Cheesy, I know, but it is the truth. It is the truth. So you can just comment anything you want. You can just comment that you want to join the giveaway, and then I will be picking one of you by replying to you. And yeah, so good luck, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you, I love you.